Rolling back to you.
Into one.
Move up. He's coming. He's there on your quarter.
Wow, so close to having him cleared. You heard Eddie say you're clear, but then a nice charge on the outside by Jones.
For the lead, Brandon Jones and Austin Hill, and here comes Creed with a little help from Gilliland. It's 3 wide. Sheldon Creed splits the deuce and goes right through for the point. The lead is Sheldon Creed. Wow.
These truckers get it, don't they?
Brandon Jones 1 lap to get back by him. Oh, Sheldon a little loose right there.
This is
Brandon,
where Jones has been his best off of 3.
He's got that run.
Creed trying to blind. 1 lap left. It's the white flag, and we have them side by side for the lead at Pocono. Jones on the outside, Creed on the inside.
Will they make it through the tunnel?
Brandon Jones, a 5-time runner-up. Both of them battling for their first career win in the Gander trucks. Side by side, now Jones grabs the advantage.
Creed got loose on the bottom, and that opened the door for Jones to drive away.
How fitting in the honeymoon capital that Brandon Jones, no longer a bridesmaid after runner-up 5 times. Today is his day. Brandon Jones is going to win at Pocono.
Race when you boys, man. Just get